Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment method declined in App Store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you are having the issue that your payment method has been declined, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you are connected to internet or stronger internet where using Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have done, you have to go for settings. Go for general, go for VPN and device management. You have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. Then you can try to reset your all of network settings. Go for transfer reset, select reset network settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode, and your all of network setting will be reset. Once you have reset your network settings, so it will almost fix your issue. Or if you're still having the same issue, you just have to go for screen time and disable all the restrictions from here. And once you have disabled all the restrictions, so it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, you just have to go for Apple ID and here select payment and shipping. And here you just have to verify yourself. Then you have to enter or add a new payment method here. Once you have added a new payment method, it will fix your issue. Or if this method doesn't work for you, you just have to open your browser and you have to simply search for Apple support. Open the first website, select your device, and then select get support option here. Select start now option, and here select subscription and purchases, and here select unable to purchase. Then select continue, and you will get some fixes, but you have to select get more help. Then select call us, and here you will get a number of Apple support team. Now whenever you want to call, you can easily make a call, and once you have made a call, you just have to describe your issue which you are having, and you will get the official help from Apple support team. So in this way, you can easily fix if your payment method has been declined on your iPhone or App Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.